All right, so started a couple minutes late, but that's okay. So if you're looking at this, you can see um this insane this insane candle at 6:26. Gosh, what happened here? And there wasn't even any news, so I don't know what happened here. That's a yeah, over 500 tick candle right there. Um, I don't know. There's a lot of things that might be going on other than specific news related events to just like political events that have been driving the market the last few honestly the last few weeks. But yeah, let's just watch it, wait for our signals, and we'll just be on here until 7. I'm probably gonna be off the mic unless I end up taking a trade, so So I was on where was I? I don't know. I think I was on LinkedIn, but I saw this. So TopStep is offering like bonuses, it looks like. Um yeah, for whatever profit targets you hit. I mean, that's what it looks like. So it says, end of the day, at or above the target balance, we deposit the cash and you unlock the next level. This is only for live. So if you're in a live account, which we are not, obviously, but that's kind of cool, right? So it says you can unlock 250,000 in performance bonuses. Um, so look at that. So if once you're in live, once you hit 15,000, they give you 1,000. Like what? That's crazy. Or once you hit 20,000, so 5,000 more, they give you 5,000. What the heck? And then 30,000 more, they give you 10,000. Like that's insane. Um, yeah, I don't know. I think Top Step is one of the best prop firms out there. I've tried like other ones like Apex, and actually no, that's probably it, just Apex. But I don't know. I think Top Step is the leader as far as prop firms go, because I mean that's just awesome. Like, okay, you have to hit a profit target of 1 million, right? But then they just give you $100,000. If only one had 100,000 just lying around, like here you go, here you go. But I mean, you are making money for them at this point. So, but I don't know, because yeah, there is that. It's like 10%. So they're taking 10% off whatever you make. Like when you do, I think it's when you do your withdrawals or something. But that's still pretty cool. So I saw that yesterday. Um, so it's just more motivation to, if you're thinking about trading and you're wondering, what prop firm should I go with? I would suggest Top Step. And I don't know, I just see a lot of other traders using them and having a lot of success. And you don't really hear the complaints as far as like the ones you hear with, I don't know, Apex. And then also, I don't know, I've heard of just prop firms just up and like just, what do they do? Disband, I guess you'd call it. Like they don't exist anymore. And I think I saw that too in like a Discord where someone was saying that they were trading with this prop firm, and then all of a sudden, prop firm's just like, oh, we're gone. It's like, okay, where's all your progress go? Where does all, your money go? But I feel like Top Step's gonna be around for quite some time. They um have a lot of good traders with them um on their team, and then just us people who are, I say us, people who are trading with Top Step that are also making the money. So this is good. So yeah, if um you're looking at getting into trading, I would 100% suggest Top Step. Start with them. Yes, they have some of their fees. They don't always have like deals going on like Apex does, but then you kind of have to ask yourself why. Apex is always having some sort of a sale, 80% off, right? To kind of get people in, but it's like TopStep doesn't do that, and they charge a little more, but it's like because they want to build better traders. They want people to actually grow and learn and become good traders, because when you're a good trader, you're making them a heck of a lot more money than if you're just, some person looking to make a quick buck and, oh, save some money. You're going to go with something like Apex, and then they attract a lot more people with all of their sales, but they can't keep them because they're just subpar traders or just bad traders, people just starting out who don't know what they're doing, and that's where they're taking your money. But TopStep actually wants to um, they actually want to grow, uh, help you grow. And I am not an affiliate of them, but that's why I can say that, because, it's true. And I'm not getting paid. But anyways, we're still watching this, so I will I will be back. Yeah, the reason why I have a limit order way up here is because I'm waiting for this to give me a sell because I'm always too late whenever I try to place my limit orders. And then, yeah, so I actually want it to be somewhere around where this 50 line is, and that's exactly where price is. But I still want to wait for the signal. I don't want to be um too impatient. So but yeah, and we're gonna try to learn from yesterday and actually just get in oh instead of placing our limit orders way far away so they never get tapped in. Like it's crazy. But yeah, no, we're gonna wait for the actual signal, but I don't know. We're still playing on this line, and so it could go either way. So we'll just wait. But yeah, that's why there's a limit order way up here because I don't want it to. Could I even put it way up there? I don't want it to. I don't want to get tapped in, you know, before. So we just put it far away, and then once we get the signal, we can move it down to where it actually needs to be. And there's no news, so hopefully there's no ridiculousness that happened, you know, at 6:30. There was nothing that happened here. Unless there was some sort of headline or something, but that's just very random, especially on a Friday. So I wonder if this will be a flat day. I don't know. Because we had a lot of movement overnight. So just like with a lot of, I mean, look at that. So yeah, a lot of movement overnight. So I don't know if we're, and even yesterday afternoon is what the heck happened here. Just dumped. And that could be what that other candle was doing, was sweeping, trying to sweep some of that. So yeah, still waiting, still waiting. You're probably wondering why I moved it so far away. Because I don't want there to be another crazy spike in like 5 minutes. There's no news, but still 7:30. You never know. You never know. So like the further away I place that, the better. I just want to have it ready so I don't have to go find the price and then in that time it's too late. So I want to put that even further away, all the way up there. There's no way it can zip on all the way up there. It would be crazy. Okay. All right, yeah, so I moved it up. At least we'll recover what we lost, but I'm just gonna try trailing this one. Because if I took it out right here, I might make my 200 for the, um, yeah, the 200 I need a day. But yeah, I'm just gonna trail it, and at least this way I will make back at 28 ticks. We'll get back what we lost in the first trade, and then I mean the first two trades, and then we'll just see how this goes. But yeah, so this is so that we can recover. So we're not, at least we're not negative on the day. But I will try to trail it if it continues, and try not to trail too closely. But yeah, I mean, if it's gonna come all the way back down, I may as well lock in something, you know. And then there's that risk of, you know, what if it doesn't come all the way back down? You know, what if it comes down, hits that, keeps going? Yeah, that could happen, but I just wanna trail it. So I don't like seeing negatives. Okay.
You know what will get you viewers?
What?
Wait, what?
Oh, what?
Is my call?
No, it's not. But what were you saying?
Oh,
Oh no, it's fine. You can say. Wait, unless you were gonna say something bad.
no, but you know how our conversations lead to.
um.
What is off?
Oh. All right, so as you can see, we were in that trade for quite some time. Let's see, how long were we in there? One, two, well, since 7:32. So we're about in there for about 10 minutes. Now, the only reason why I moved my stop loss right up there was because one, I need to make $200 a day, and I only have 2 days over 200. So I just wanted another day. So also, if we look at, let me just bring this over. Whoa, that shot to the freaking. Well, yeah, I feel stupid now. Anyways, it's fine. It's totally fine. No, it's not. I'm gonna cry. But basically, right here we have an over. If you can see it, we have an overbought zone right here. And so I was thinking, okay, this is probably gonna come down because we just hit that. At least we're gonna retrace some, and I don't know how much. So rather than leaving it, down here and losing more, why not just move it up so that we can at least meet our meet our quota for the day. And yes, it did shoot up, but like unless I was like super fast hitting that exit button, I probably would not have even been able to capture this. And even if you had like maybe if you had to like your take profit up there, maybe. But um so yeah, so on the account we're at 1900. So I need to hit 2000 in order for um this little number to be zero, and then yeah. But anyways, I say that was decent. That was decent. And let's see if we get a sell off of this. But yeah, only reason why we moved it was because we hit this, and I was expecting it to retrace. I don't know how much, but to retrace, and so I didn't want to have my stop loss, way down here. Or even I think it was here. I don't want to have it down here. So I just wanted to capture as much as I could, and we did. So that's good. We'll just watch this for a little bit, and then yeah, we will sign out. We have another 15 minutes. All right. So just looking at this, I don't know how long this is gonna continue. Um, who knows? We could buy up all day. I don't know. Um, let's go back. Let's go back to overnight. Let's look at the overnight. Yeah, that's crazy. Well, it's kind of moving. Well, it was moving. It's been moving sideways. If you look at it, it's been kind of moving sideways. Um, we're kind of stuck in some sort of a range, but I mean, we are moving. We had uptrend, shot down, and then we've kind of like recovered that a bit. So I don't know how the rest of the day is gonna go, but I am happy with the results. I need to go back and I don't know, play back what happened because I'm not sure if I placed a limit order or if I just jumped in a market order. I honestly think I jumped in a market because if I placed a limit, it probably would have been here, like right on this line, this 50 moving average, and I never would have been put in the trade. So I honestly think um I placed the limit. I did not place a limit order. I placed a market order. And then this would have been something that could have been a break even. You know, if we hadn't lost that, I probably would have been more comfortable placing this at break even and just letting it go at least until 8. Um, well, in 4 minutes from now. But that is, I think that's a wrap for today. Again, very simple. Very simple. This first one, my stop loss was at freaking two. It was at 10 ticks. That's why this little spike boop took me out so fast, and I didn't even have time to blink. And then I got in again because I was like, oh no, I'm gonna miss it. So you know, a little bit of FOMO there. And then yeah, that one went poorly. I think I lost 200 on that, or about 200 on that. And then once we passed this, I'm like, okay, let's wait. Let's just wait because I want to come back down below as a confirmation that we're actually gonna sell, and then we didn't. We just got a buy right away, and those are the best ones. Is when you get a sell, and then like 3, 4 candles later, you get a buy instead of being like, okay, getting a sell and then it just chops forever. Let's say it just chopped and chopped forever, and then you gotta buy. But it's like, I don't know. So this one was nice because we got a sell, 4 candles, buy, and then we jumped right back in. So decent day, and then it's Friday, so we'll be back again Monday. But I don't know if I want to stick to this time. It's the best time for me, simply because in the evenings I have other things to do, so I couldn't do this consistently in the evening. So we'll be back again Monday morning, and I like this. Like I need these live streams to stay consistent because I was not consistent at all. I'd probably be doing other things, get distracted, come in and be like, oh no, I missed the trade. Oh well, we'll get it tomorrow. And then same thing tomorrow. Oh no, I was outside with the pup. Missed the trade again. Oh well. So, I'm done with that. We have a nice hour block of time where we get at least one good signal. We got one good signal. So that's good. That's a wrap for today. We're going to cut the stream a tad bit early because I have some other things to do. But if anyone is watching these, which nobody is, I just kind of watch them myself. Yes, have a great day, everybody.